All right, let's talk lips. If you're anything like me, you know that one swipe of the right lip combo can totally transform your vibe. And with fall 2025 rolling in, I've been on a mission to find the 5 absolute best viral lip combos that are blowing up right now. Trust me, you'll want to try these before anyone else. Ready for some serious lip envy? Let's dive in. First up, the pumpkin spice latte combo. Start with a warm terracotta lip liner. Think burnt orange meets cozy brown. Then fill in with a creamy nude lipstick. Top it off with the tiniest dab of gold gloss right in the center. The result? Plump, glowing lips that look like you just sipped your favorite autumn drink. I dare you not to lick your lips. Next, the Moody Mauve. This combo is everywhere on TikTok, and I can see why. Outline your lips with a deep mauve pencil. Then fill in using a cool-toned pink liquid lipstick. The trick? Tap a little lavender shimmer on top. It gives you that mysterious, "Who is she?" energy. Seriously, people will be asking. Number 3 is for my bold babes, the Cranberry Crush. Go in with a rich cranberry liner and don't be shy. Fill with a matching satin lipstick. Then add a sheer black gloss. Yep, black gloss. It deepens the color and adds insane dimension. Every time I wear this, someone stops me to ask what's on my lips. Want to stand out in a sea of neutrals? This is your power move. Okay, number 4 is a little unexpected. Peachy Nude Ombre. Start with a brownish nude liner. Then blend in a soft peach lipstick toward the center. Here's the secret. Dab a tiny bit of clear balm just in the middle. It's subtle, but it makes your lips look fuller and juicier without looking overdone. Perfect for every day, but still totally viral worthy. And finally, the 5th combo everyone's obsessed with. Plum Glaze. Think deep plum liner, filled with a berry gloss that's almost see-through. The magic is in the gloss. It catches the light and makes your lips look pillowy and plush. If you want that just bitten autumn romance look, this is the one. Now I know what you're thinking. Do these really look as good in real life as they do online? Here's the thing. These combos are going viral for a reason. They're flattering, easy to customize, and make your lips the star of your fall look. Plus, you don't need fancy products. Drugstore or high-end, it's all about how you layer and blend. So, which lip combo are you dying to try first? Drop your pick in the comments. Bonus points if you share your own secret lip hack. And if you want more beauty inspo, don't forget to hit subscribe. Your perfect fall lip is just one combo away. Catch you in the next one.